I started my career as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I maintained cooling systems for reactors where equipment failure could mean a potential meltdown. I brought that high stakes engineering mindset to the HVAC industry. I've spent over 17 years as a technician and contractor. For the last 20 years, I've used the HVAC For Beginners website to expose scams and low grade hardware. I've seen every shortcut and every hack job install in the book. Today we are cutting through the marketing fluff of the Costway Blast Series and the Mirage Inverter X32. These are pressurized refrigeration systems that live or die by the quality of the components inside the cabinet. Both units originate from Chinese manufacturing plants, but the guts tell different stories. The Mirage Inverter X32 has a massive footprint in the professional contractor market across the Americas. Even on their base Inverter X32 model, you're getting a coated coil. Without a coated evaporator and condenser coil, you are running a countdown clock to formicary corrosion and refrigerant leaks. Costway's Blast Series also utilizes a coated coil, which is a rare win for a retail-focused brand. Mirage units show tighter assembly tolerances, while the Blast feels designed for high-volume retail rather than 15 years of heavy cycling. Both the Costway Blast and the Mirage Inverter X32 are rated at 17 SEER. Stop looking at the price tag on the website. That is just the cost of entry. If you want the unit to run more than a single season, you have to pay for a precision install. In 2026, contractor labor for an 8-hour professional setup runs between $150 and $250 an hour. Costway Blast Series 2026, invoice retail equipment, $12,000, BTU $650, precision labor $1,600 subtotal, $2,250, 20% contractor margin, $450 total, all in $2,700. Mirage Inverter X32 2026, invoice retail equipment, $12,000, BTU $750, precision labor $1,600 subtotal, $2,350, 20% contractor margin, $470 total, all in $2,820. If you try to DIY or hire a cheap outfit for $500, you will end up with non-condensables in your lines and a dead compressor by July. The warranty is where the branding often falls apart. Costway offers a 5-year parts and 8-year compressor warranty, which sounds decent on paper. Mirage often lists a 2-year parts and 5-year compressor warranty in many regions. Most warranties are void if you cannot produce a licensed startup report proving a 500 micron vacuum was achieved. If a pro did not pull that vacuum, they will blame moisture in the system and leave you holding the bill. I am giving the win to the Mirage Inverter X32. Even though the Costway Blast offers a longer paper warranty, the Mirage is built for the trade and has a more robust supply chain and control logic designed for heavy use. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com